Fantastic morning, Ebada, my hene fiaman kwa tamakula say my jabaton ama say mentwaso. Na ya ran samne toss. There's a fatasa outside no pain so ya chini kufu na ya de ebrewe na atum say yes. I don't praise na mkwamu papa fidi and the bechan afibia. Bechan afibia no de when you asem multimedia jiri ani asesa dia. Ya man ye fe na ya jebe ma area cancer for no so nya bia ye. Na no pay yesi akonkon de nsabro eba gamepackgames.com nyeska akagu botom ni pansare pick 4 pick 1 fiti nra say tisi week ni mo dia manfo dia Sunday to Sunday ti opportunity we be say opportunity abenya e de disca no e de bia anopa nonkron awia 12 anwumre 6 3 times a day throughout the week on pay we open gamepackgames.com okay one up na and some no at the brewo and of course an up so no Piwak natural health omoke ho na yeden some na the bro 3p garlic mixture no ejina so pa anya sam keto akra antika hye no sa Dr Prince Nelson Motiti yes one more na this android at the aba okod drugs also per 3p garlic mixture na moja ne bedu mafusane ye pa bodwuma bonsem yes in makoi e de sia konkon e nsam na de bro Sergio Manocho Bernard Padibotwe me producers am come ho amede e ba kejuwa nkasa ne Eric Asiedu Buari now e be sha se tempa so na ye de fi the Euro 2024 qualifiers e koso Portugal am qualified at about enra Cristiano Ronaldo bought 2 goals ma Portugal for me no kasa no no abe ne 40th goal of the year at my Portugal nyasam keto akra and for 12 seasons I want to carry a mono or 40 or more goals Cristiano Ronaldo for you Holland and so we need a game on the pions so yanko games dem twede kwai no ne the course so Holland so Greece about Greece by a goal to nil where Euro 2024 qualifies course the nyasam keto akra Spain money Belgium money but all countries they be now are qualified now no other there yantiasem that Belgium game and normal day airpin so no yet na boom and ISIS if we are come ho anti o ma in the second half ama mesia kan because story ni mo wia na am ho se na ho se mesia tie pa first half na o ma bo 1-1 no mo ko aba no etie na chese ne the CC on chen no nyasam ke20 match then to me and so that's Belgium and so a game no na yanko na yanko SNS and for so esi etie ye call the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana catch no ka say ma touchdown Nashville ye hwere mo say edachna Ghana e be jan nice so na in the USA the second friendly game at the Apim so first one ankoyi against Mexico send a second one e be call coach Chris Hutton coach at the Black Stars.
Yeah, it's really special because a lot of people from the Ghanaian community are going to be watching this game, knowing that I was eligible to play for Ghana and I have roots from there. So yeah, it's a special game because I have a lot of family as well from Ghana, so they're all going to be watching.
And you had some Ghanaian food while you were here. Yeah, what was the highlight of that meal?
Yeah, it was really nice. I can't cook it myself, so. When my mom comes over to my house and stuff and cooks it, it's really nice. So it was nice to have the opportunity again for a lady out here to cook that for me.
What are the biggest adjustments this team needs to make shifting from Germany to Ghana on Tuesday?
Yeah, the different teams, obviously, different qualities. So we have to just as I said, Germany is a completely different team to Ghana, and we're just going to analyze them and try and bounce off from the Germany game, basically.
2026.
Yes, Jonas Musa. Jonas Musa. I rush way there. When you sure Ghana could him in the crew. Nema many never paying Ghana for. Yes, but Batana, the end there, one name say, I'm going to call. See, you know, Mukabri, call Black Stars game is an ABO, be a maybe more. No cocoa, why actually better than a bear boy. To say more time, queen, more time. Now say, buy more time, Beba. Beba, maybe it's Beba. Maestro Beba. More to your head, Mombra, more your deho. Yeah. See that live commentary wa to me family asempa FM so Ghana and USA ka share so sa na from gamepackgames.com obe diska de go boto my gamepack for no de abase diska go boto number bia da akoma so de to so abet me diska go boto kama pa ne ade ayemfio ne kopi mo wo a shedo katakana na no makra so fokufo one mo aka che ne nhwe de yekoso ho no mo na togwe afede on de dibo boko ne nim no de nsamo to dwana no ada ege ma mo ye na say ana ne kofo we betimi twitwabo empanifo di tim nanim to say de omunim nyansa say de omunim de omo ye ne ade ade a mususu nkasa mususu nkasa o na sabe omo mu die nem nya say omo horo omo anim fi efom kosoro what I say
the most successful clubs don't necessarily make money from player sales, because as much as they sell, what do? They buy. The most successful clubs. So we need to define what our business model is. If you want to make money from selling players, then you'll be like the other clubs that just want to sell players. But you see, to be able to do both, that is why we are please. That's why the academy is very important. You see what I'm saying? You can sell a lot of youthful players, so you'll be seeing a lot of change in future. But Hearts of Oak is not like a selling club. It doesn't mean that we will not sell. But when we sell, the net may be still nil because most of the money may go into purchases.
Right, we have any summer what they to Jawa AGM Nase no Yinfioni Kopiem or Shedukatana Macras for Konya Koi, Yanko Matema Kumasa Santa Koroko, Wamo Akachina, Yan share the Ekoso Honomo, Babayarano Musio Makai, na Anaquame Dankwa Kasama Boku, no then Samo Tubia, says, see, Omanya Lino, as I say, on Bobo, we are Sika, Ebeba Gate, no, na Omo Gate, no, as a Bukata Biumu, near the idea, or my him on Medi Hunjumapa.
Revenue is becoming too much for us, and we need to raise this issue and solve it once and for all. Otherwise, the club Kotoko might have to take a decision to either stop using Babayara Sports Stadium or something else, because you can just help the viewers and listeners to see the numbers are Kotoko ne Diana Stars on Babayara Sports Stadium. And then we are catching the Nipa 5,100 nearby. And the saddest part of the whole thing is that you are selling tickets for my match, but we need access to the back end now. They told me tickets in Amameno. We are the other catching ticket to no at all. It is not right. And we are by this, sending signals to those in authority. Yes, you ticket, we are having problems with it. There were serious problems with it as a club, and the earlier we solve the issue, the better. And we will not sit on consent for this thing to continue. No, me see, we'll find means to stop our supporters by buying the ticket. And the question for the first one, club. We have to do that. No, but not the because so I'm saying that why must you sell tickets? Need access to the back end. Who the Ecoso. Right. Nana Kwame Dankwa, a member of Asante Kotoko Communications team. Understand some year to give the change seminar there, bro. Oguso Asha can see what Badwam so and Anopa Kejuan Kasani, Erica Sedu, the Ghanaian Premier League match day 5 and Raya Ibaku, Edifio, Accra Great Olympics near Accra Lions at the Pim's Olympics still unbeaten. No Walker, a coaching our Samba Beam and all beating Accra, and all can semi.
I'm not the happiest coaching Ghana now, but for now, but not yet, because the league is not ended. First, I will give thanks to the Almighty, say congratulations to my team, the players, for a disciplinary football they put this afternoon. In fact, it's something that we rehearsed at training, that we have to put pressure on them so that we take our chances very early in the game, and it worked perfectly for us. So
right, I don't walk, I don't know, say I'm not walking now. Ibrahim Tanko, so yeah, coach at the Accra Lions.
And very bad. We had a very bad first half, and with 2 mistakes, we give them the game. It's very painful, but they deserve to win.
Olympics, as a matter of fact, they didn't really work for those goals. They look like gifts from your defense. How worried are you are not keeping it tight at the back?
Yeah, very worried, but I mean, you can only train for it, and we have to, I mean, keep on training for it, and then hope that everything will be fine. But as I said, Olympics deserve the 3 points. They were better. Yeah, congratulations to them.
And they didn't allow you to play your normal game. They kept pressing and they kept pushing. They kept being physical, and that looked to be a disadvantage for your side.
Yes, I mean, when you are 3-0 in 20 minutes, definitely your confidence will vanish. And I mean, this is what happened. We are going to prepare for our RTU on Friday and then hope that everything.
Right, and on a Tanko Ibrahim, or on a coach, Tema, Aka Lions, and some hour there to a I don't know, Shannon Sumami say, Manopedi and Water Crani Pansari, Tronum, Richoko, and no Swashabuma Beer and Yasam Ketwakra, and on that GamePackGames.com, Game Pack pick 4, and I pick 1, and then the wooden Dinko, 4 DDC Kanyasam Ketwade, 9 year Bombay drawback, 12 Bombay drawback, or 6 p.m. Almost a drawback. In a day was 3 opportunities, say, over to me at this Kadiago Botom. You McQuay. And idea see a conquano pair, and then some idea bros, and so now a pure natural health center almost okama, and yasam keto across Sergio Manucho Bernard Padibuche, the producers no. Kidwana Kasani, Erica Sedu Wedi.